Hey guys, Apple SDK Dev here today. Right now I'm just going to be showing you just a little trick. I'm going to teach you how to deploy your own apps that you've made in Xcode, and I'm going to teach you how to deploy them onto your iDevice. So that could be your phone, an iPod, or an iPad. The first thing we're going to have to do is, first thing, you're going to have to make sure that you go to the developer website, developer.apple.com, and we're going to have to make sure that you have Xcode, the newest version. So once you have that, after it's all downloaded, blah, 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 you have your developer whole folder in Macintosh HD. You should have this folder right there. Once you've done that, the first thing you have to do is you have to sign up for an account on the Member Center. I know it's kind of extreme. It's $100 to sign up for the iOS account. I did it because I make lots of apps and I'm sending them to iTunes and stuff like that. But I'm afraid unless you fake code sign, which is legal and also very hard to do, you're going to have to sign up for an account, pay $100, and then you'll be able to deploy them onto over 100 iPhones. So once you have that, you'll get something called an iOS provisioning portal. That'll give you just a little file that will display on your desktop. I moved it into a folder, but it's not right here anymore. But basically, when you open up Xcode, let's just go ahead and open up this folder. Basically, right here, if you go over to Project and you go to Edit Project Settings, right down where it says Code Signing, sometimes it's usually before it would say don't code sign, but you have to switch it. You'll have at your team provisioning profile, or you can name whatever you want. If you click that, make sure it's running on right here. You have to make sure the actual phone that you're deploying it onto, you have to put on that firmware. So in this case, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it onto an iOS 3.2. I'm putting it onto my iPod Touch. So I have to do that, close that, and then I have to change this from simulator to device, and it also has to be under release. And now that I've done that, if I can click build and run, and there's my app, as you can see. Oh, there it is. So we can press play, and it's working. That's pretty cool, guys, right? But remember, you can only do that if you have an account, which unfortunately costs about $100 or $99.99, either way. But I would say it's definitely worth it. You can also deploy your own apps, and you can submit them to the iTunes Store for submission. And just imagine that you can have your own app in the Apple Store. That'd be pretty cool. If you like this video, subscribe, rate it 5 stars. Anything else? Hit me up with some feedback. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks, guys.